stop playing with him.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jay Da Vinci. If you're new, pause this video, hit that red subscribe button because you're gonna love it. You're gonna love my channel. I'm here for you, you're here for me, so subscribe. If you've already been watching my channel, you're dope. We love each other. You already know how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna show you guys how to style your crochet braids. It's been about a week since I've had this hair. It's a whole lot bigger. I'm loving it. This is from divatress.com. I will link everything in the description just in case you want to check it out. Oh, look at this, hairstyle number 1. So far, this has been my favorite crochet hair. Like, it's literally so perfect. This lash was falling down. But yeah, these hairstyles are gonna be with no hair ties, so you'll just be able to do them on the go. Yes, the hair gets tangled. It's been about a week, but it's kinky curly hair. We're gonna take some extra wrapping hair from the back, and then we're gonna just begin wrapping the hair around. If you wanna be my lover, ha, 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 ha. These are those classic buns. Let's see if we can get it the same. Okay. Be just fine. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want, and I mean, it doesn't really take that much effort because it's not like you would be changing your hair throughout the day. Just in case you want some inspo on how to wear your, what do you call these? Crochet braids. Within a week, the hair, it gets tangled, but it's manageable. You could just like pull it apart. This is really a part of making your, what do you call that, crochet braids last. You have to do this every night if you plan to have this in your hair for a month, okay? I don't. But if you do, this is what you're gonna have to do. And I'm not using any bobby pins, no nothing. Then we just loop it through. 2018 Instagram baddie hair to make everything even more purple vibes. You feel? You know, we got the hair waterfalling. We would then go from here to a bun. Probably gonna be a thummy thick bun. Told you, dummy thick bun. But some people like their hair like this. And now we're here with a groovy bun. These are so versatile that you could just wear them straight to the back if you'd like. I do have a tutorial on how I installed this hair. Ultimate hair goals. Ponytail, okay. We're just wrapping. She's a bit thick. So what I do is I put a silk scarf at the top of my hair and then I put a bonnet at the back. And when I wake up in the morning, I literally just let the hair out. And then I will just take it and kind of just spread the kinks apart because of course this is synthetic hair. However, it's still soft. It's been a week, it's still soft. I'll just literally spread it apart. The hair will get bigger, but the bigger it gets, the more natural it looks. I keep getting all these crazy compliments. People love this hair. I freaking love this hair. But yeah, you literally just have to do this in the morning. You take your fingers and spread it apart. So I hope you guys like this video. For more crochet hairstyles, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. My goal is to get to 1 million subscribers. So we about to turn it up. Hey, slick, let's get it.
In this bitch, got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit.